Good evening. We're on Down Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen today. Thought I'd make an old-fashioned dinner for me and the wife. I got some corn, onions, okra, tomatoes out of the garden. So I made what they call succotash, I believe. Some people might call it goulash, but I got that going on, and I made some homemade cornbread, and we're gonna have steaks with onions. So I'm just gonna show you a little bit just to make you a little hungry. So there's the succotash or goulash, people call it. You got your okra, corn, and over here I got the steaks I just made up there. They're just marinating in that juices that they do with onions. And then over here we got the famous homemade cornbread. So just made a dinner for me and the wife. So we'll see you next time. Maybe on the water or in the kitchen. You never know. But we'll see you next time on Down Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen. All right.